Mukhang magiging maaksyon ang laban ni Manny Pacquiao at Sugar Shane Mosley ngayong linggo. Kapwa determinadong maka-knockout ang dalawang boksingero. May news to go si Dante Perello.
Nauna nang sinabi ni World Welterweight Champion Manny Pacquiao na nais niyang maging kauna-unahang boksingero na makaka-knockout kay Sugar Shane Mosley. Pero tila hindi natitinag ang challenger sa binabalak ng best pound-for-pound boxer. Kung knockout ang pag-uusapan, baka si Pacman daw ang bumagsak sa laban nila sa Las Vegas ngayong linggo.
Manny is a great fighter. He's very explosive, has a lot of punches, and he's a determined fighter, which we both have the same qualities.
What was your reaction when people say that you're way past your time?
I don't listen to people when they say that. I mean, I listen to myself and my heart. I'll know when it's time.
Okay, last question. You think you can do it? You can knock out Manny?
Yes, I do. They're gonna knock out anybody, but yes.
Ayon naman kay pambansang kamaong Manny Pacquiao, hindi niya aatrasan ang anumang hamong ilalabas ni Mosley. Kung gusto ni Mosley ng matinding palitan ng suntok, makikipagsabayan daw siya.
I don't have prediction, but it's gonna be a good fight. A lot of action in the ring, and we know Mosley is throwing a lot of punches, and he like to fight toe to toe, and I'm ready for that. And I'm pretty sure that we can give a good fight on Saturday.
Handang-handa na raw sina Pacquiao at Mosley sa kanilang nalalapit na world title bout sa MGM Grand.
On Saturday, I'm not saying that I'm pretty sure to win the fight, but I'm happy that Mosley and I will train hard for this fight. And our first concern is how we can give a good fight to the people. And on Saturday, we do our best, and we train hard for this fight. We do a lot of things in this training camp, and on Saturday there's a lot of action in the ring, and we make sure that I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be a good fight and people will make happy.
This fight's gonna be a terrific fight. It's gonna be a great fight. With me and Manny, we're both warriors. We both love to fight. We're both are winners, and we get two winners in there. It's gonna be a heck of a fight.
Daang-daang boxing fans ang sumalubong sa dalawa sa pagdating nila sa Las Vegas kahapon. Sa Sabado ang official pre-fight weigh-in ng dalawa. Dante Perello, GMA News.